Hi everyone, today's reset Lenovo tabs, forget pattern etc. Hi all, salam Muslims. So how to reset it? Let's try to restart it or refresh it. And make sure your volume down key is pressed with it. Press vol down key until you see the recovery more or bootloader. Now here press vol down to access remote and power key to get into it. Near wipe factory and cache same with vol down to chose and power to get into it. Okay, here you again go to volume down and click on wipe, and then you have to wipe your cache and go to wipe cache. And there you go. Now reboot it and now no more password here. If you are new to our channel, can you subscribe, like, share and comment? I'll be back once it's done. This bar will be like complete until it's battery though, but it's just power on. Let it charge. I'll be back. Okay, seems it's all done now. Just follow the wizard, no password. Joy, don't forget to subscribe. If video was helpful, click like so it will be on top. Share to help others. Comments for question and enquiries.